I've just woken up and I've decided I need a wolf cut.
Hello?
I've done a mullet where I made a wig from scratch and then, you know, trimmed it into a mullet style, and that was really short. Then I did a wolf cut, but that was with a crochet sew-in. If you haven't seen that and you don't know how to do a sew-in, all you need to know is how to crochet, so check that out. I'm gonna link both of those videos up here. The only sad thing about that crochet sewing is that eventually I had to take it out, so I no longer have it with me. So I've decided to take one of my old wigs and give it a wolf cut. This is the wig in question. This is a very old wig that I like half made myself. Let me show you the construction, and please be gentle with me because this was the first wig I'd ever tried to customize myself, and I didn't know that much about wigs. I wasn't really in my element yet. So this was maybe about, I want to say like 2017 I made this wig. I bought this wig and then realized it was super thin, so I added tracks to it, and I'll just show you what I did. Up close, I literally cut hair off the weft and then glued it on. It kind of looks really natural from here. I'm not sure how it's coming on screen, but then there's like a problem area right about here. Then I'll show you the inside. There's a piece that I glued on. Can you guys see there's another piece right here that was taken from a whole different wig? I basically added extensions to this wig. I don't know if you can see it that well. I feel like it looks really good on camera, but in person you can tell this was like a homemade thing, but honestly that's fine with me. Anyway, I've never really liked the lace on this wig, which is a perfect excuse to turn it into a wolf cut because you won't need the lace at all. I'm talking bangs here. Yes, bangs again. Anyway, I've got my work cut out for me with this wig, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna brush her out. All right, this is what she looks like in her original state. She's very long. So I've just wrapped up my hair. I completely thought I was going to be able to put this on the mannequin head and cut it, but then I realized, how am I going to be able to tell where the wig ends? And you know what? This will give you guys a way to see what the wig looks like on my head. Hopefully it's not too lumpy. I try to do my braids flat underneath. I forgot that it has this kind of yucky straight texture. I don't know if you guys can see like a little bit of crimps in the hair. Love that because it's a whole lot more thick. I'm going to cut it first. According to the video that I am taking inspiration from, she cut her hair about, I remember thinking it was like upper chest area, so like right here. I want to like here, so I need to move the scrunchie even lower. Okay. You know what, I think I should have straightened it before because I didn't realize that some of it is curled. Did that do anything? I had it in between 250 and 325. I'm gonna put it up to 325. I vaguely remember this being one of those synthetic wigs that I had to straighten as if it was real hair. Like it just took heat like nobody's business. And I think I got it from Amazon. These Amazon wigs are like a different, they are not like regular synthetic wigs. I would say that they're even. They look pretty even to me, and I'm very surprised because I was ready to go back and make some extra changes. We should probably section off the front, like where my ear starts, and go up from there.
Hey Luke, how's it going, man? I just wanted to check in with you and see how things are going on your side. Yeah, I really think
Then I also need hair for the front. This is kind of cute. Okay, so I want these pieces in the front to come forward because these are going to be the bayang. got the bangs going straight down. I think I'm going to separate the side pieces from the front. And I think I'm gonna cut it here. Then I'm also gonna layer these because what is a mullet without layering? Look how cute! It almost reminds me of Sailor Moon. I think they do still need a trim though. Alright, I've trimmed the bangs so that I can see. And now it's time to layer them into the side pieces. Side bang complete. I have some sideburns from when I cut this wig a long time ago, but there's nothing I can do about that now. I can only try and straighten them and make them look like they fit in. I'm gonna take the lowest piece, and they're kind of following the same slant as the bangs. And this is gonna be the piece that frames my face, but underneath my chin. So I've got a layer here, a layer here, and a layer here. Now I need to complete the rest, but I think I'm gonna do that on the wig head because I don't see how I can get such even layers in a place where I can't even see the back. Now I'm gonna take the sides down and layer them. See the difference between this side and this side? Now that I've finished both sides, look how cute she is. She's already getting like some kind of shape. Now it's time to do the back. I think it needs to be cut straight because right now she's giving a little dip in the back.
I can't believe that you waited so long.
This chunk needs to go.
Best friends at the wedding.
Okay, that looks a lot better, and I didn't even have to cut that much. So I guess I'm gonna start with the back.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent you messages to that day. Skipped through the present, haven't been so happy ever.
See if I missed any pieces.
Skip to the present and I still haven't released it. But it's okay cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like. Haven't been so happy ever.
Okay, you guys, this is what she looks like all done. I'm gonna go put this on and show you guys what it looks like because, oh my goodness, she is so cute.
Hello?
I love her. There's so much volume and it's so crazy and messy. I love it.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks It's where we learn to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message till you got there.